Alright, I got about 3 feet of space here. How many people think I'm gonna break something? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, beautiful day. Today I am super duper excited because we are going to be unboxing the FabFitFun box for the spring of 2019, which I am so excited to be a partner with FabFitFun yet again. Working with them has been absolutely amazing. They're the ones that sent me that big box of candy during Christmas that I ate in literally 2 weeks. Thanks FabFitFun! Anywho, today I was dragging my feet just a little bit, trying to get around to filming, me procrastinating, can you imagine? But then I went to my door and saw this box. Well, not technically this box, it was inside another cardboard box which was soaking wet. When I opened up the very soggy outer packaging, I saw this lovely fun colored box and I was just so excited to get into it. But before we hop on into this lovely little box here, if you guys do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription, so you get it 4 wonderful lovely times a year. And each box is $49.99, but it comes with $200 at least worth of product. Also, if you would like, you can use the code that I'm going to put right here on the screen. It is AR10, I do believe, and you can use that code to get $10 off your very first box when you sign up. This box right here comes with full-size beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle items, so it's kind of like an all-over box. It's not just focused on one thing. And they also let you customize some of the items in your box. So I'm going to show you guys what is in my box as soon as I can find something to cut it open with. I love the little cacti. That might be one of the only plants on the planet that I could potentially keep alive. Oh, and the inside's also lovely and cacti-like. Oh, that's different. All right, the very first thing that I have in my little box here is the 11 by Venus jump-a rope. Not jump-a rope, just a regular jump rope. I somehow was able to move this little A down here in the middle. I don't know how I did that, but apparently this is a jump rope. And is this, yep, it is. This is, it's a jump rope. So here we have what looks like a very nice little jump rope, a little bit different than the actual rope ones I played with in school. It's a pretty like purple color with these brown, this is gray, with these gray kind of squishy handles. Oh boy, I do not know if I remember how to jump rope. I used to do like the jump rope for heart. I think that's what it was called in school. And the more you're able to jump rope, the more you're able to raise for charity. So this is very interesting. I wonder if I can do it. Alright, I got about 3 feet of space here. How many people think I'm gonna break something? Okay, that's not how you do it. I don't remember how to jump rope. Okay, never mind. Alright, I think if I had more than like a 2x3 space to attempt to do that, I could have done it. But with my limited space, that's what we're gonna blame it on. I was not able to jump the rope. Oh, okay, next up in here, we have another water bottle. This is one of like the classic things to come in a FabFitFun, the Sip by Swell. And we received one of these not too long ago, I believe in FabFitFun, and oh my gosh, I thought, okay, $40 for a water bottle is a lot of money for a water bottle, but I put water in it and I swear it somehow got colder than when I put the water in to begin with. I don't know what kind of magic that was, but I'm excited to have another one. This one seems to be a little bit smaller than my other one. This one is 15 fluid ounces, where the other one that I received was 20. But I really like the bright pink color of this. I am trying to drink my water and go to the gym, that kind of stuff. Still haven't done the gym part, but I'm getting there. As we can see, I'm just oozing athleticism. So those gym people better watch out as soon as I show up. Next up here, I have something in a little plastic baggie with another baggie inside. Oh, okay, I've heard of these before. So it looks like I might have, I think, sunglasses here from Quay, Australia. I'm pretty sure I've seen this brand at least advertised, and yes, I do. Is this, did I pick these? Did I just completely forget everything that I've done? Ooh, these are nice though. I really like the shape of these. They're kind of like those aviator shapes, but they feel like nice and sturdy. Let's see what I look like on them. Ooh, they feel very, very nice on the face. Do I look okay? I don't know. I actually can't see. These make me feel kind of cool. Do I look like a bug? I don't know. I kind of like them. I don't know what I look like in them, but I still think they feel really nice on the face. They're also in black. The frames all the way around are like very nice and sturdy. They feel very nicely weighted, and I like that they're just solid black all the way around. So these I really like. I do not currently have a nice pair of sunglasses, so I'll definitely be wearing these. These won't be my swimming sunglasses though. I have a feeling these are much more valuable than the sunglasses I take to like the lake per se, because if those fall off my my face and sink 300 feet to the bottom, no one cares. And I think I might care if these fell to the bottom of the lake. All right, next up here we have something from La Vido, which reminds me of that Ricky Martin song from my youth, Livin' La Vido Loco. Or La Vida. I think I completely sang that wrong. Anyway, this is an aromatic body lotion with mandarin, orange, and bergamot. So this is what the outside packaging looks like. I really like the different like little blues and oranges on it. I think it's quite pretty. Ow, my knee! Athleticism. Ooh, it's thick. It smells really, really nice as well. It does give me nice like springy vibes. I really like the smell of oranges, so this is something I'm very, very excited about. I've definitely been trying to get into the routine of like putting on lotion all over whenever I get out of the shower because the hot water really does dry out your skin. It's just one of those extra steps that it's good to do, I just don't really want to take the time to do because of laziness. But this might have to be the lotion that I use during the springtime because it smells lovely. All right, next up here we have a brand that I'm actually quite familiar with. This is from Ouai Hair Care. It only took me about 3 years to learn out that O-U-A-I is Ouai. But this is the leave-in conditioner. And I think I've tried this several times. I know I've tried a few things from this brand, but this just reads basically as a regular leave-in conditioner, just to spray it through your damp hair before you either brush it or heat style it. It's also supposed to offer some thermal protection and control, so that's pretty cool. Oh, okay. So next up here we have something from Dr. Brandt, and I really enjoy that brand. And this is the Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, which is supposed to visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles. This is something I'm very, very excited about. I know for me, when I wake up in the morning, I tend to have like incredibly dark set circles underneath my eyes. It looks like I've been fighting myself in my sleep or something. And I also think I might have another one of these floating around here somewhere, but I'm definitely going to be giving this a try. Very excited to see if it'll work for my dark set circles. All right, next up in here, there's a big pot of something with a... This is heavy. What is this? Oh, okay, so this sounds very, very fancy. I have something here from, I guess the brand's name is Relax? No, Manna Carter. It just says Relax here on the side. This is a champagne charcoal scrub, and I'm very interested in seeing what this smells like and looks like. It smells like gummy bears. Oh, I love gummy bears. It's all a little bit stuck to the foil on the top, but this is what the scrub looks like. You get quite a bit of it. It seems to be a very like sugary type scrub, and it smells really, really good. I don't know why gummy bears came to mind, but it's smelling like some other stuff. It just smells yummy. I'm not gonna try it. This smells like something I would typically attempt to eat, but since there's charcoal in it, nope. Nope, not sugar at all. This is a salt scrub, at least we know. But it says, Bubbles Anyone Champagne Charcoal Scrub is a luxe gentle body scrub formulated with charcoal to remove dirt and buildup, leaving the skin polished, hydrated, and refreshed. I actually can see it bubbling up a little bit here inside the pot, and I really like the amount you get, plus it comes in a pretty little container. All right, you guys, and the very last thing I have in here comes wrapped up. Oh, fancy. It comes in a dust bag. So this is a Deluxe. Very cute. All right, so this is a little bit different. We do have a couple little of the stitchings coming out here. I'll just go ahead and snip those off. But this is really, really cute. It's a canvas bag, but it's like a backpack canvas bag. So not your standard little tote. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's nicely lined with some black material. There's a little pocket there. I like the combination of kind of like the cream color and the black. I wish it was just a little bit thicker on the straps to make it feel a bit more sturdy, but I think it's very, very cute. Okie dokie, you guys, that was everything that I received in my FabFitFun for spring 2019, and I'm pretty excited about a lot of stuff in here. I honestly think a couple of my favorite things are the sunglasses. I've just never really had like a nice pair of sunglasses. I'm a Dollar Tree sunglasses kind of person, so this is very fun for me. I also like how this little case like opens and closes. It looks like a fish. I am quite excited to have another small water bottle just because they're so nice. So yeah, those are some of my favorite items. I'm gonna go into the little catalog here and read the prices of these items and also what the other things are that you could have gotten. All right, so this is split into little sections here which show you what are customizable, what is not customizable, what's exclusive for like VIP members, which are those people who have an annual subscription, and then what everybody gets. All right, so the customizable options are right here, and the first category is the one that came with the little backpack. So you could either have gotten gotten the Show Me Your Moo Moo robe, which I absolutely love the name of that, which is $84. Or the Deluxe denim backpack, which is $75. That seems like it might be a little bit on the pricey side. Or the Unplug Meditation Aromatherapy Diffuser, which is $55. The next little category here, you could have either received the Quay Australia My Girl in Black Smoke sunglasses for $55, or the ones that I received, which are the Quay Australia Vivian in Black Smoke, for a grand total of $60, which is probably more than I paid for sunglasses combined in my entire life. Or you could have received the Sunny Life Lovers Picnic set in Malibu for $30, or the Caress Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial for $48. In the last little customizable section, you could have received the Gizati copper-plated measuring spoons, which are super cute, for $15, the little body lotion that I got, which is $19, or a mystery item, which could be a palette body cream or maybe a trigger ball. I'm not sure what that is. For $20+. Then over here, these are the items that can be customized if you have the annual subscription, and that is either the 2 Bandits Athen necklace for $30, the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder for $22, or the Sip by Swell bottle for $19.99. Then next on here we have the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser for $28, the Daily Concept Daily Detox Brush for $18, or the jump rope that I received for $15. And then finally, the little section down here are the items that everybody received in their box. So we have the Way Leave-In Conditioner for $26, the Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More Baggage, ID Puffing Gel for $42, and the Manna Carter Champagne Body Scrub for $24. So those are a whole lot of items that I just read off there. I am going to go through, however, and add up all of the items that I received and their value so we can see how much value actually came in this box. And that brings my total value of this box to $280.99, which I think is pretty great and I'm pretty excited about. Let me know what you guys thought about the spring 2019 FabFitFun subscription. I would really love to know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. And if you have not yet signed up and you'd like to get $10 off your first box, you can use the code right here on the screen or down below in the description to get $10 off your first box. But yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys today, so just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. Again, thank you so very much FabFitFun for sponsoring this video, and I just hope you guys have a wonderful, lovely, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!